getting in my normal peg workout, you know, because when you're as strong as me, I mean, you can. Okay, I'm not gonna cheat this time. Pegboard, you wanna learn how? Fun fact, I fell on this in one of my attempts on American Ninja Warrior. But you're not gonna fall on it because I'm gonna show you what not to do, like I did then. All right, pegs. First, get them both. There's two. Pegboards are scary if you've never done it before, which when I did Ninja Warrior, it was one of my first times ever on a pegboard. So I didn't know technique. I was just like, oh, I rock climb occasionally. It should be fine. Wrong. Training specifically for what your task is goes a long way. Just because you can do pull-ups and chin-ups and all that jazz does not magically mean you're gonna be an ace on this. It will help you though, so I do recommend working that. All right, so assuming you have a pegboard, which you probably don't, maybe you'll go to a ninja gym that has one when we're allowed to go outside again. Cool, what do? Well, first and foremost, you wanna get used to locking out. Locking out is when you get to a specific position where you can literally kind of stay there for a moment. Like look, I'm not cheating this time because I'm locked out. If I'm down here, there's not as much tension that I can lock into position. So the further my shoulder is from my hand, the harder it is to lock out. So if I get above my hand as best as I can, you can lock your body out, which lets you stay while you take the other peg and place it. When people do pegboard and they're not used to it, sometimes they hang way below it and then they're tired and they, you know, yeah, you could rest here technically, you know, because my arm isn't using muscle really, I'm just relying on my grip strength. But now I have to get up somehow, which is really hard to do if I can't reach or if there's no wall here. But if you get this other peg in, pull up, lock out for a moment, you know, maybe even lock out on that right arm, and then you get that left peg in. And then pull up and move up. And then pull up and in. And so on and so forth. Now to come down, again, same idea, lock out, place that peg, slide lower. Lock out, peg, lower. You don't want to go too low, too fast, unless you know you have good grip strength to maintain, because you don't want to accidentally swing and lose a peg, which actually happened to my friend Justin. I love you, Justin, if you're watching this, who also was on Ninja Warrior with me. We both fell at the same spot. He dropped the peg, couldn't go anywhere. I just fell. I know you want to see me do the pegboard, and I'm tired because I taught the tutorial before doing it, but I will attempt for you guys. Here we go. Can we Photoshop this?